Tiguang na ta, kiat na tayong gapon. Kiat kayo gapon, tiguang na ta. So look at Jesus mess. Hi Jisoo. Jisoo is very big na from the previous vlog, and she's very cute. Well, good now. Good. Cute ang Jisoo. Cute ang Jisoo. So let's clean this one up. Malimpyo ta Jisoo. Kaya pretty kakiap ni mo Jisoo. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to back. I don't know how to vlog anymore, guys. Good morning, guys, and I am ping.cjestrada. Welcome back to my channel. So today's a weekend here at Casimiro South, and this is another house update vlog after, I guess, 7 months since my last update. Got some fun stuff to share with you guys. But before that, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share. Peace and love. Alright, in today's update guys, got a couple of things to share. First is akong ang kwarto. Natay update sa itong kwarto lang. Okay, so our first update today is my kwarto. So as I've shared to you guys over the past few house update vlogs, my kwarto is very hot. Yun, especially in the noon time or kanang 1 to 3 p.m. kay the sun is actually there, and you know it's very direct sa room. So I finally decided and got an inverter type AC from TCL. It's 1.5 horsepower, and actually I just got it over 3 weeks ago. So the electricity bill that I got for this month is not yet complete, so I'm wondering how much would my electricity bill increase on the next month, because that month would be like the full month na good, no? And it does do the job really. So during that very hot time, it's not that hot anymore, no? Diba? And then on top of that, I had my glass panel tinted. Naka-tint na siya guys. Mo na nga murag ready siya pong naong no kay tungod siya ang tint nga dark. But if you check outside, no, wala, you can't see it because it's already, you can't see inside na kay it's tinted, and actually it helps a lot blocking the UV rays of the sun, no? Well, UV rays like kuan si Maha. And then I have a blackout curtain as well, so ano siya. Gastos. Kwensya na. Ano ba this shit? As a chapulan person, this is a must for you guys. So this is what's inside the box. This is the charger. I don't know what this is. The manual and the robot itself.
Vacuuming and locking all is started. These dumbbells can connect to the vehicle immediately to explore more functions.
Kuya Juan ka Jisoo? Kuya Juan. Bangga man. Okay. Nibalik na siya sa iyang charging station. And ang resulta. Malimpyo.
To charge, please leave one desk compartment with water tank in time.
Nalimpyo naman po siya, di ba, Jisoo? Masangit siya ani ay. Kani. Masangit siya ani. So, mo ni kataghan na ang iyang nakuha. Di mo focus, pero mo ni siya kataghan na. Mga balahibo mo ni Jisoo tanan eh. No, Jisoo, no. Hi, Jisoo. So, as you can see, my sink, my faucet is like here. Ta-da! Ta-da! So, I bought a new one from DIY. And let's see if I can put it. Pero naman instructions din no, so I'm just gonna try to do it. Let's go. Sige daw. Muliyok lang dyan, no? Pero okay na na eh. Hey! So our next update for the house is construction, no? So after a month of them doing it already, it's already done. Yes. So at first, is my back. Ang likod sa akong balay, ina na siya kanang flooring and fence. Yan ang Jisoo eh. So muna na siya guys. So na siya. As you can see, nanap ko yung ganang gamay nga fence. Like that. Then, naka-flooring na siya. Sementado na siya. Hindi kainit. Na. Dito eh. Na siya. Sementado na. May drainage. Yeah, Jisoo, preso lang. Kay, iguba niya mga tanong gahapon. Or good ni. Ang pangkiwan tanong guys. Okay, ito eh. So, bili na maka-ikyas si Jisoo dito sa likod. Kaya usually, basta maka-ikyas na siya, hala, mudagan sa block. Because block ato siya mga ka-perks. Ay, Jisoo. So, aron dito siya ka dagan-dagan. Kaya na may ali. Akong likod, akong fence. So, muna siya ato ang next update ito ang vlog. No? Pagigutom na ko. So, muna siya guys. For the past few weeks, no, I've been very busy and very busy. Like busy. But, I had a contractor here in Casamira. Actually, dili mo siguro sa taga Casamira yun, pero kanang suki sila sa taga Casamira. And mga to, I was trying to look for someone like a contractor to, you know, build sa ako ang dili sa balay. So mga to nakuha si Sir Eddie Fajardo. Dagan siya good review sa mga, medyo pricey lang gamay. So mga akong ikuha. Actually, this week na siya naman yun. So, moto ka lang actually akong ipatrabaho akong likod o sa tubangan, flooring lang o ka ng fence, no, o gate na dati ka siya, especially if na kay dog o for security food. I'm gonna show to you the clips, no, on what happened during the construction time. And 3, 2, 1. What to say? Here's the progress of my flooring and gate project. Sabak Jisoo eh. So they're trying to put the ano na kabilya. So I think they're gonna cement it today. Like that. Then Jisoo is here. Say hello to the vlog, Jisoo. Say hello to the vlog. What's up, vlog? Vlog, vlog, vlog. Vlog, vlog, vlog. Vlog, vlog, vlog. Vlog, 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 vlog. Oh, sit man, Jisoo. Smile. Jisoo. Naong Jisoo. Oh. Welcome to the vlog. Welcome to the vlog. Okay. Sabar Jisoo ni. Nah. Semento lang. Semento lang Jisoo. Semento lang. So they started here at the back. They have to make like that because my area is kind of elevated. So they will have to do that. So the plan is to have like that. Nice. Covered na siya, guys. Yan kagawas, Jisoo. Jisoo. Yan kagawas. Jisoo. Jisoo. Yan kagawas. Asa mo ka mo adto? Yan kagawas. I'm gonna show to you the final output. Ikaw magkaon ako kay gutom man. Murag may window sa kung ano, pero actually mirror na siya sa Shopee gikan. Okay siya tanaw sa layo. Pero if mapadool ka na medyo bati siya kay mo distort mo ang naong ba. Bigyan mo siya ng hard mirror. Kuha siya ng soft siya. Are you guys ready for the big reveal? Let's go. Tada! Wala na siya, guys. House update. Oh, si Jisoo ang saya ko, guys. House update. Gate and fence done. So diri sa mga tao, ana, no? Nigpis ta tag mga bars gay. Tipid ta. Yeah. Nya, may wall, no? At ay fence diri, railings. Para si Jisoo, dili kalakaw-lakaw. Diri kay gisiminto na siya. Para kuan. Ako na gitang ang Bermuda grass kay kapag maintain, no? So ana, yun niya tong piping sa septic tank. Unya railings, unya kani. Foldable gate ni siya, guys. Kay ako ang vision kay mag-on. Diba? Basta may purpose nga nung i-folding dito ang parking. Masudod ka? Tabaw naman na. Itong pakita, guys, ka saan sa pagka-folding, guys. Wala. So muna na folding gate, guys. So if naibutang diri ato siyang i-unfold, no? Pero if wala gani ato siyang i-fold. Ana ka nice atong aning folding gate Kay nag-anticipate pa ka na kay butang dire. Which is nice. Kung itong goal, no? Kaya siya guys, if sanaon sa gawas. Ano, folding siya. Ano. Hindi ito eh. Ano. Nakapait lang aning folding gate kay since ako ang floor ramp down man. Nga mo siya ramp, no? Ang jiso mulusot dire. Kani siya. Ang jiso kay makalusot diha lang siguro nga na nagubutang dire. Kinahanglan na siya i-unfold sapa jiso. Kay ako lang siguro butang screen sa ubos, no, para ali ba di kagawa si jiso. Kay nasus makabuhi si jiso guys, kabaw mo sa mo adto. Tapos sa mga friends and mga ka-berks nga mga kuha tambay. Mga tambay magdula nga di pigid muli. Pero bata ba nga imong apason bitaw. So mo to siya tong house of bake for today guys. If you ask me how much I spent for that, medyo dako gid siya. But I think it's worth it naman po. I'm not really familiar with construction costs, so that's why I chose as someone who's not really familiar with like construction costs, no, and the way how construction works is that I was just trying to look for a contractor that has a lot of good feedback and is just within the vicinity, rather than going out and then looking for someone that do the construction that I don't know of, and I don't know if there's any like their feedback. At least here, Sir Eddie did have a lot of good feedback on our Facebook group here in the subdivision, so that's why I opted to get him and his team to do the construction for my front and back. So yeah, I think I think it's worth it. I asked also to make tapa of the cracks of my walls, and he did a retouching the paint of my walls as well. So that's why my outside is cleaner na. So more na siya bago guys. My hand is delay kasi jiso kasi ikawan. Thank you guys for the support and hope to see you guys at my next video. Siguro after 2 months or 3 months. Alright, let's go na, and jiso, share peace and love. Bye-bye na jiso. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Lupat ako guys. Bye-bye.